Hello and welcome. We are discussing PYQs of number system and the theme is inequality now. See, the way we have the sign of equality between two terms, in the similar manner we do have sign of inequality. Like signs like A is greater than B, right? Signs like A is greater than equal to B, A is less than B, A is less than equal to B, right? These kind of signs are called inequality. Now let's understand the meaning of this theme and the meaning of these symbols with the help of the examples. Okay, so this is our example number 1. It says, it was there in CSAT 2018. It says if x is between -3 and -1, x is between -3 and -1, meaningly x can take all those values that will lie between -3 and -1. So x can be equal to -3, x can be equal to -2.9, x can be equal to -2, x can be equal to -1.5, x can be equal to -1.2, and so on. Okay, now y is between -1 and 1, so y can take all those values that will lie between 1 and -1. Okay, see, I hope you know the number line, right? In number line, if this is 0 and this is -1, this is -2 and this is -3, so x will lie between -3 and -1. So x will correspond to all those numbers that will lie between -3 and -2 also, and between -2 and -1 also. That now next thing is x square minus y square. So if we know the range of x, so let's find out the range of x square. To do this, what you can do, just do -3 square. What is -3 square? It is 9. Then do -1 square. What is -1 square? It is 1. So if x lie between -3 and -1, then x square will lie between 1 and 9. 1, x can be equal to 1, x can be equal to 1.1, x can be equal to 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 is in this way, 2, 2.1, 2.3, 3, 3.1, 3.2, and so on. So x square can take any value from 1 till 9. From 1 till 9. Similarly, y square. So see, what is -1? What is -1 square? -1 square is 1. What is 1 square? 1 square is also 1. So in case of y square, the maximum value of y square will be 1 only. The maximum value of y square will be 1 only. Now, between -1 and 1, there is a value called 0. 0 will lie between -1 and 1. So if you do 0 square, which means 0. So if y lie between -1 and 1, then y square will lie between 0 and 1. Meaningly, value of y square can be anything that will be lying between 0 and 1. It can be 0, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, then like 0.9, 0.912, any decimal that lie between 0 and 1. So over here, it is pretty clear to us now that the maximum value of x square will be 9 and the minimum value of x square will be 1. The minimum value of y square will be 0 and the maximum value of y square will be 1. We want to find out range of x square minus y square. So try to find out the minimum value of the result. First of all, try to find out the minimum value of the result. So see, for minimum value of the result, if I considered x square to be equal to 1 and y square to be equal to 1, then 1 minus 1, the minimum value of this expression x square minus y square can be 0. Why? This answer cannot be negative. X square minus y square cannot be negative. Why? All the values of x squared are positive values. All the values of y square are positive values. At the same time, the value of y square is less than the values of x square. So that is why the minimum value of x square and y square should be 0. What about the maximum value of x square and y square? For maximum value of x square and y square, consider the maximum value that x square can take. Maximum value that x square can take is 9. And consider the minimum value that y square can take. The minimum value that y square can take is 0. So 9 minus 0 is 9. Okay. So finally, I can say x square and y square will lie between 0 and 9. Right? It will lie between 0 and 9. Hence, answer is option D. I hope class the question is clear to you. Please pay attention, write down every step carefully. Done? Chaliye. Now the next question. See, it says if x is greater than or equal to 25. X is greater than or equal to 25. What is the meaning of this line? It means x can take value 25 or any value which is greater than 25. Right? Greater than 25, it is 25.1. Greater than 25, 25.2 is also greater than 25. So x is greater than equal to 25, meaningly x can have any value which is equal to 25 or greater than 25. Okay. Now, y is what? Less than or equal to 40. Y is what? Less than or equal to 40, which means the value of y can be 40 or can be less than 40. So it can be 39.9, it can be 39.8, so on. It can be 38, so on, 31, any value which is less than 40. In case of x was greater than or equal to 25, so x can take any value which is equal to 25 or greater than it. X can be 25.1, x can be 25.2, x can be 26, x can be 26.9, any value which is greater than or equal to 25. Okay, what else do we have here? X is greater than or equal to 25. Yeah. Then which one of the following statement is correct? So out of these four options, which one is the correct? We have to look out for. Now, see, x is greater than y. It is not true for all cases. This is incorrect. Why? If you consider x to be 20, x to be, see, in this range, I know x is greater than 25. So greater than 25, x can be equal to 100. 100 is greater than 25. So if x is 100 and y is 40, see. So for this case, statement 1 is not valid. Hence, we should discard it. Next, y minus x is greater than 15. Y minus x is greater than 15. So y minus x. Now, what is the maximum value that y can take? The maximum value that y can take is what? 40. And what is the minimum value that x can take? The minimum value that x can take is 25. So the maximum value of y minus x should be 15 only. The maximum value that y can take is 40. The minimum value that x can take is 25. So the maximum value of this expression is equals to 15. So 15 is the maximum value for y minus x. Meaningly, for all other possibilities, the value of x, y minus x will be less than 15. So over here it is greater than written, hence discarded. In this case, less than is written, hence true. So out of 4 given option C is the right choice. I hope guys you have understood it. This is it for the video. We'll meet you in the next. Till then, please take care and bye-bye.